Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to connect Google Workspace with Squarespace. Firstly, create a Google Workspace account if you don't already have one, and during setup, enter the same domain name that you use for your Squarespace website. Now sign in to your Squarespace account and open the website connected to your domain. From the left-hand menu, click on Settings, then Domains, and this will open your domain management page. Now locate the domain you want to connect to Google Workspace and click on it. If your domain is registered through Squarespace, click Get Started under the Google Workspace option and follow the setup prompts. Now Google Workspace will ask you to verify ownership of your domain. You can copy a verification code, add in it as a DNS record, and saving it to the changes. Now, once the record is detected, your domain will be verified. After that, create custom email accounts such as support@yourdomain.com. These email addresses will be managed through Google Workspace. Now finish any remaining Google Workspace configuration setups, including security settings and user creation. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I will see you on the next one.